Imagine if dolphins in the ocean had a contacts list where they kept track of friends, family, or even old situationships. Not written or typed out, but rather whistled. A signature whistle is a self-innovated sound pattern that stays consistent across a dolphin's life. Think of it as an audio username. Other dolphins learn it, remember it, and use it. These are signature whistles, captured using a computer so we can see what their frequency patterns look like over time. Every dolphin sounds and looks a little different. Dolphins produce distinct whistles, usually when separated from their groups. For decades, researchers suspected that whistles acted like names, but suspicion is not the same as proof. But to say a signal truly refers to an individual, you need stronger evidence. That's where dolphin pee comes in. Scientists noticed dolphins swimming through each other's waist with open mouths. Knowing that dolphins likely couldn't smell, they thought maybe they could use taste to pull in identity information about the dolphins in their group, like a more intense version of a dog sniffing a fire hydrant to see which other dogs had stopped by. Researchers conducted a study where they first presented pee from other dolphins that the subjects had either met or never met. These dolphins spent much more time sampling the pee of familiar animals. Then, those same scientists presented urine again, this time playing a signature whistle that was either from the same dolphin the pee was from, or a mismatch of sound and urine from two different dolphins. The dolphins' behavioral responses showed that not only can dolphins recognize which urine matched that dolphin's signature whistle, but also occasionally volunteer the signature whistles of the urine donor even when no other whistles were played. Scientists still aren't sure what other information is present in urine. However, because dolphins can correctly assign signature whistles to pee cues, it means that signature whistles are in fact analogous to human names, and they are the first species outside of humans to have names in this way. On land, many species do not need a name system, as they can get by using their voice to broadcast their identity. But dolphins live in the ocean. The depth they swim at changes their voice. Every time they dive, it's like they're inhaling helium. Coming up with their own names based on shape lets dolphins avoid this problem. Dolphins don't speak a human language, but they do use sound to represent themselves and each other. And for scientists, knowing this about dolphins opens up a lot of possibilities about what other species might be able to talk about. And honestly, that's something worth listening to.